Tara, game! Tara, tara! Habang malapit sila. Game, game! Sige, wait lang. May nakashoot! Okay. Hello. 4-0 ha. Mike. Mike. No good. Remind ko ha. May 8 seconds. Mel. Mel to Nico. Nico, no good. Nangangapa pa oh. Mike. Mike to Jerome. Jerome, no good. Rebound by Poblete. Poblete to number 17. Number 17, no good. Gerald, pinasa kay Lindon. Lindon. No good, rebound by Sean. Okay, Mel. Oy, nice shot. Score 6-0. Remind ko ha, may inbound violation. Okay, rebound by number 17 to Poblete. To Nico. Nico to Sean. Binalik. Mel. To number 17. Nico, 3 points. Score 7-0. Remind ko, both teams may dalawang timeout ha. 7-0. 7 pa lang. 7 pa lang. 7 pa lang po tayo. 7 lang, 7 lang. Hindi, nagkamali lang siguro ako ng angat dito nun.
Hindi, dalawa siya, isa ako. Kasi ko, tatlo.
Okay, palabas. Time remaining ha, mahaba pa. Poblete to number 17. Still. Okay, good. Mahaba pa ha. Nothing to worry. May second quarter pa. Mike, 2 points. Score 9-2. Mel, pinipwersa. Mel, no good. Good yan, rebound by Jerome. Jerome to Lindon. Lindon, pinasa kay Jerome. To Mike. 10 seconds. Mike. No good. Rebound by Jerome. Uy, kapos lang. Uy, lumipad pero wala. Good, walang tawag. Uy, sayang. Oh, uy! 2 points by number 17. Score 11-2. Toast Lindon. No good. Rebound by Mel. Okay. Number 17. No good. Okay, easy 2 by number 17. Okay, good. Good, walang tawag ha. Nice. Charlie, easy 2. Score 13-4. Sean. Pinasa kay Nico. Nico. No good. Nakuha uli ni Sean. Sean. Okay, foul. Labas na po. Time remaining 3 minutes 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay, rebound by Poblete to Nico. To Mel. To Nico. Okay, foul daw, foul. "14 seconds ha." Poblete, 2 points. Score 15-4. Sapatos ka na agad. Diyan ha, papasok ka. Charlie, no good. Rebound by Nico. Nico, binato kay Sean. Sean, dire-diretso. Sean, easy 2. Score 17-4. To Lindon. Nakuha ni Poblete, pinasok kay Mel. Mel, 2 points. Score 19-4. Oras 2 minutes 8 seconds. Number 17. No good. Good yan ha. 1 minute 47 seconds. Charlie. Charlie to Mike. Nice pick. Score 19-6. To Mel. 8 seconds. Mike. Dediretso ba? Okay, foul. Oras 1 minute 13 seconds. 14 to shoot. Gerald. Gerald. No good. Okay, rebound by Lindon. Lindon to Mike. Mike. No good. Last 40 seconds. Number 17, easy 2. 21-6. Last 20 seconds. Poblete, no good. Rebound by Jerome. Grabe, lumipad si Superman. Last 8 seconds. To Mike. Okay. 0.1 seconds. Okay. Change court dito, bola. Number 17, labas na po. Diyan, pasok. Hello. Okay.